Hi, I'm Gemma. I'm an intern for the Air-Sea Interaction Lab at Scripps Institution of Oceanography, and I'm going to show you what I've been working on this summer. So we're interested in better understanding mixed layer deepening, which is crucial for determining boundary conditions in the ocean. To study that in a controlled environment, we've set up an experiment in the Scripps Hydraulics Lab. The basic setup requires that we stratify the channel, meaning there are two distinct layers of fluid. The bottom layer consists of 50 centimeters of saltwater mixture, which is denser than the 10 centimeters of freshwater sitting on top of it. The saltwater is dyed red in order to create a visible interface between the two layers. The key to the stratification is this cart, which rolls along the rails on top of the channel. 4 shower heads lightly sprinkle fresh water down, which is how we avoid mixing the second layer with the first. As you can imagine, this is a slow process. In our case, it takes 4 to 5 hours. The next component of the setup is the wind generator. This is an industrial fan that's mounted at a 45-degree angle at the very back of the channel. We have to cover the channel with plywood lids and seal the openings to prevent air from escaping, because leaks would have a noticeable effect on the wind speed. At this point, we're ready to run the experiment. Now we ramp up the fan and start collecting data. The wind speed is found using a pitot tube. It's positioned so that it's aligned with the airflow, and it allows us to record pressure measurements of the air in the channel. We use that data to calculate the wind speed over time. Most importantly, an observation section of the channel is recorded on camera at a rate of 10 Hz. We also set up a Schlieren screen as a way to show density changes in the water. This is some of the footage we've collected so far. So that's what I've been working on. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new.